what he can bring to the table. Certainly he has had great success at the American Hockey League level, and if any indication, his last performance is an omen of what we could expect from perhaps Stolarz in the future.
I'm 2-on-1. Volkov with Comtois, who tries to get it back over to him. It comes to him, and now he does score! And it was Comtois who got it back.
Max Comtois, and again, he makes a terrific pass to Volkov at the end of this, to taps it through. Volkov shovels it.
Always helps to know somebody, regardless of whatever the new situation is. Boy, Johan Larsson cuts in off right wing and goes high short side.
And just being that hair deeper.
His way in behind the net, still possesses all the way to the left boards. Now to the point, Fowler looking for a shooting lane, got a redirect, and went over top off the stick of Silverberg and bounces into the net.
I think he punts that forward with the right ankle.
I thought it hit Hill, but yeah, that's definitely off Silverberg. So Coyotes start back up right wing, Christian Dvorak, and he fires it in. Strange bounce, comes off the Zamboni corner in front, and they score. Oh, just a bad break.
Tell you what, for a guy playing in his first NHL game, Lane Peterson shows amazing patience here. He just outweights Anthony Stolarz, pulls the puck around him.
Nick Schmaltz, the former Blackhawk, pulls up, got it to Kessel, full speed into the Anaheim zone, hooks it back in front, and the Coyotes think they score.
Before the puck crosses the line, number 2, does Fisher push Stolarz back into the net? Oh boy, but boy, what a great pass that was across to him.
It was Zegras who found him. Now coming off the right boards and pulling it in, and then scoring is Schmaltz.
And moments later, look at the traffic in front of Stolarz. And so the question remains, did he have an opportunity to make a play on the puck? There's no question he was screened on the play.
Here's Chris Lee.
Reviewing the play, the calling license confirmed that we have a goal. Anaheim is in charge of a penalty, bench minor penalty.
Fakes a pass, then takes it into the zone on the right boards for Henrique, and the horn will sound. The hockey game is over. The Coyotes down twice in this game by a goal, come back, score the last 3, and get the victory 4-2.